Happy fall. Sage is still growing. Looks a little thin. I think that usually happens if it gets really dry and then it tries to recover. But I'm going to show you what you can do with a single leaf and how you can brush your teeth. Hi, I'm Janelle with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Happy to have you here today. It is a gorgeous fall day and I'm feeling pretty good. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simply brush your teeth, freshen your teeth with a sage leaf. And you want to use fresh sage. And your sage can continue to grow inside if you have like a really nice sunny room, sun porch, and you can grow it all winter long. But probably a few times a week I will polish my teeth with sage, and then yes, it's also a breath freshener. So before I show you, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, let me know you're here, and check out my description down below. I have my link tree which links to everything that is me. So sage has this really nice like rough surface. You wouldn't be able to do this with basil. And it's real simple. You just take the leaf and you press against your teeth and just polish. And I'm not going to show you the whole time that I'm going to polish, but I'll go through over every single tooth and then take the leaf and you can chew it. Now, I'm not like brushing away food. Okay, so you want to maybe brush your teeth first, floss your teeth. I already did that. This is just like polishing, whitening, breath freshening. I've been places where there was sage and I'm like, oh, I just need to like freshen up here. Or there's been times where, you know, I went out of the house and I didn't remember to brush my teeth, but I see my sage plant and I just grab some sage and take it in the car with me. But easy little trick. And then you can chew your sage. And there's another herb that I like to brush my teeth with. I will show that in another video. So thanks. Come again soon.